fucking hot.
What's for dinner? These niggas gonna be sweating his balls off from that car.
Little piece of junk. Look at that. So we're gonna go get the wheels, and then after that, you know, smack. Yeah, I'm talking to the video, bro. My boys out here. We're gonna go get the wheels and go get his fenders rolled. So I'll record whenever he's getting his shit rolled or whatever. So we got the wheels right here. We're gonna go get. I think he's gonna be in the truck.
I wanna be on camera.
All right, so we got the wheels here, all mounted, balanced, all that good stuff. We're gonna take the Miata. You can't see it, it's right there, to go get the fenders rolled and I guess slap these on maybe later on. So it's too hot, we're out of here. Want to make up with the camera?
No.
Oh, when the camera's off?
No.
It's off.
Stop.
You with my boyfriend, you know?
Get out of here.
Oh, my phone. Put the camera down? I got you.
I guess it's
Hey, what? No. There you go. The car's been rolled. Look at that piece of junk. Dang! Just hits your shit. Do you feel the difference? Did you feel it though? Like actually feel it? Nah, no matter. Also, follow us, Badussy. Piece of junk. Yes, sir. In case you guys don't know what kind of wheels these are let me see if I can pronounce these, alright? I'm pretty sure you heard of them. Every like YouTuber has these. Kansei? My boy. My English is bad, you know, but we're gonna put these in the garage, and after that we're gonna test them tomorrow. Well, it's gonna be in the same video, so yeah. Look who just pulled up. The Miata. Well, I'm gonna go do that.
That doesn't mean I got AC right here. Hey, AC right here. Is that your car? You look so perfect in that car.
Hey, yo, what you mean by that?
You know what I mean.
Dave, what you gonna do, bro? Get up and do something.
You keep talking.
Hey, chill out. Sit back down, buddy. Damn, this is child abuse, my boy. What do you think?
Not abuse, right?
Today we're gonna try on these. Well, not try. We're gonna put on these wheels right here. Beautiful.
So we're gonna learn how to drive.
Is that what you
First
think?
time.
Is
It's
that what you
cashed out. It's really the cashed out.
Oh man, it's dripping out here. Let's go. Wow, must be nice to be a baller. This dude is drenched in there. Is acting up right now? You better drive home slow. Brakes. Wow, looks like an actual car now. Right, Xavier? See, I told you, that's the rub of the tires. Wow. Wow, you just gonna go home or not? I'm gonna move my car. I'm gonna park inside. This is how the car sits with the wheels. He's had it on for a couple months since I haven't uploaded. But yeah, they're looking spiffy. He does need a little bit of camber, if you can see right here in the front and the rear a little bit. And he needs to lower it a little bit more, but he can't lower it because, ready? I'm all the way in. Damn, that big ass dude. He can't lower it because, I don't know if you guys can see it down there, but the exhaust is like the lowest point of the car. So he's gonna have to get a different exhaust or just cut off that resonator and make it work. But yeah, look it. It's not that bad, but there's a little bit of camber and that's about it. We are gonna paint it, I think, in a week or two, maybe, ourselves. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, this is the end of the video. It took a long time, but like I said, life, it happens. You know, DJ Khaled. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Run this shit, I'm lapping on